All right, and there's Big Bad Wolf.
Whoa!
Oh my god.
Oh, I see it!
Oh my god.
That's so crazy.
And look at like the spikes
Yeah, I
at
was
the
gonna
drop.
say that. Yes. Oh yeah. For sure.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Best YouTube video ever.
Journey deep into the Black Forest on multi-launch indoor and outdoor coaster with a 88-foot plunge towards the Rhine River.
I would actually ride that.
Oh my god.
You can also experience the mysterious grounds of King Ludwig's fortress on Dar Coaster, an indoor launch coaster that traverses through immersive lighting and sounds. If you look toward the right, Alpine High, riders are hurtled through
I
six
think that's
staggering inversions at speeds up to 67 miles per hour.
Wait.
Bro, that's so crazy. What are the odds that we saw? We saw that bus. That's so crazy. I was talking. Caitlin, watch his phone. Oh, I see. Oh. Bro, where the hell? Bro, this is about to be a fight.